Welcome back to Small Lathe. This is a wood screw, obviously, and it's designed to hold wood. It has large, very flat teeth, or threading to be more accurate. I've taken basically the same screw, and this is the largest screw I could find in the local shops, and just chopped the head off. Now this is really efficient when you want to hold wood and to turn wood. But I wanted also something else. I wanted something that will allow me more accurate turning. To this end, we're going to make this little project. I have some 17mm long stock here. I have an Allen screw, socket screw, M8 threaded screw, which we're going to incorporate over here. And apparently it didn't have long enough M6 screws, so I made one. I just chopped one. This is stainless, and I can now thread it on the other side. So let's get started. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice finish. Clean off the edges. And we're practically halfway done. So we got our threading over here and over here. I'll just get a Q-tip, get that mess out. There we go, clean. Now, if you had some time to think about it, first thing you'd say that once you screw some wood over here, it will bind to the screw more than the screw would bind to this metal, to the brass. Right? How do you get it out? Very good question, by the way. Answer is simple. This is the Allen key. What we do is we screw the key first into the brass, just by hand, locking it. Now, once the wood binds onto that, we can unscrew the brass and then unscrew the screw. Very simple. Now I didn't have an Allen key for the M6 nut, but I got this thing. Just cut through it with a hacksaw, and we have something we could utilize with a simple screwdriver, and that would be just fine. So let's assemble all the parts, and now I have a perfect unit. There we go. What do we do with that? Very simple. We mount this thing. This is the next project, so wait for it. It will come, and this is going to be a nice bottle stopper eventually, I hope. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.